helium miners. So here's an update on my Finestra miner. Good pros and cons and what problems I've been having with the miner. As you can see, my miner hasn't been done very well. It has been unsync and sync and doing low helium lately because of this relay here, and it was out of sync for almost a whole day. And so I figured, I guess something going on with the, maybe the SD card. As I search online and they're saying having some problem with the SD card might be bad. So I tried, get another SD card and copying the file over, and that didn't work. So I said might be a overheating issue because these miners don't have any cooling fans in there. So I just decided let's try it out. So I open it up and take it apart and left the bottom piece open. Then you'll see a video, what I did, and left the bottom piece open and let it cool down. And the helium miner is really cool now with the laptop cooling fan, and it seems to be well, it's back to sync mode. Hasn't been going out of sync lately. Okay, so after a whole day trying to figure out what's going on with my miner, I took this thing apart, and I figured out it might be an overheating issue. So this piece right here is the underneath the Finestra miner, and here's the miner. So I left it open underneath, and I have this laptop fan over here running. So this laptop fan is running underneath the miner, and it's keeping it cool. So the temperature is very cool. It's not even warm on this miner, and it seems to work. It used to go off and in and out, sync and out of sync and in sync. So, but now it's just just green. So far, it hasn't have any issues. It's still having the relays. Trying to fix that. Hasn't gone away yet, but I did do my port forwarding, but it's still showing relay. You can see how long it takes to get rid of it. Been doing pretty well so far. As you can see, it's not too bad, for the past how many days? I think 24 days. Yep. So I will give you more updates on any other issues I found. But if you're having a problem with your miner, you might want to put a fan underneath it and keep it cool. That might solve the problem going out of sync for Finestra miners. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll give any more updates. But it's been pretty good so far for the miner. Thank you, and take care all. See you again next time.